Burglary is risky, but falling asleep on the job? That's just plain crazy. In 2014, a thief broke into a house, stole some valuables, and then made himself at home. Instead of escaping, he lay down on the couch and fell fast asleep. But here's the thing. The homeowner woke up, heard loud snoring, and found the thief asleep on his sofa, still holding the stolen goods. Police arrived and had to wake him up just to arrest him. Maybe he was just too tired for crime. Either way, this proves that not every criminal is cut out for the job.